Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this palm kernel herbal moisturizing shampoo. The shampoo is good for the hair. The ingredients I use are carefully selected to help grow and thicken the hair, stop excessive shedding and itching scalp, and also to stimulate hair growth. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Let's get started. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this palm kernel herbal moisturizing shampoo. Yes, I know you've been wondering how I got to this point. I'll drop a link below this video, and I'll click on the link and watch the video how I extracted the oil, the palm kernel oil. After watching that video, then come back to this particular one to see how I make this shampoo from the palm kernel milk. So what I did after extracting the oil from the palm kernel, the leftover, the milk from the oil I extracted, then this is what it looks like. And after leaving it for one more day, and I have it sieved. So I'm using my cheesecloth at this point to sieve it so that I will separate the particles from the milk itself. So here's the chaff, and this is what I got from the milk, the palm kernel milk. So at this point I'm cutting my black soap. Here I use about 50 grams of black soap for this tutorial. Then after cutting it into pieces the way I want it, the shape I want it, then I added it to the palm kernel milk. After adding it to the palm kernel milk, in a double boiler, I allowed it to sit so that the black soap will melt. And if you don't want to do a double boiler, you can put it on a low heat and put it on fire and allow it to sit there until the black soap is melted. And this is exactly what I did. Just pour the hot water in the pot, inside the pot, and allow the black soap to melt. And at this point I added shea butter. This 20 grams of shea butter I added to it. So after some while, I allowed it to sit. At this point, both the black soap and the shea butter is melted. After melting, the next thing I added was my guar gum, 5 grams of guar gum. Immediately I added it, I had to mix immediately. You have to be very fast doing this. Guar gum is a thickener. So after adding my guar gum, the next ingredient I added was honey. A teaspoon of honey. Remember, this is a moisturizing shampoo, so we need this honey. And honey is very good to the hair. After the honey, I added essential oils. I added peppermint essential oil, 3 drops. Tea tree oil, 3 drops, and also lemon oil, lemon essential oil, 3 drops to this. So guys, this is my herbal palm kernel shampoo. This is so good. I love this. This is how I want this. This is the consistency I want. This is how I love my shampoos. So at this point, my shampoo is ready. So if you don't want it this thick, you can reduce the quantity of the guar gum. And if you want it thicker than this, you add more guar gum to it. So guys, this is the result. This is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos. Remember, shampoo lathers a whole lot. Remember, I will drop the link below where you watch how I extracted the palm kernel oil. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Like I said earlier, this palm kernel herbal moisturizing shampoo lathers a whole lot. And here is the result. Guys, try this shampoo, you will love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, comment if you have any concerns. See you next time. Bye.